Hey friends, if you encounter this issue where CFT loader process is causing high CPU usage, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first solution is to disable the touch keyboard and handwriting service, which will also disable CTF loader because it's associated with the touch keyboard. So search for services in the Windows search bar and open services, and then scroll down to the section where it says T. Okay, and then you'll find the touch keyboard option here. If it is connected, all you need to do is right click, select properties and disable it. I don't have that service, so I'm showing it for a different one, and then click on apply and OK. The next solution is to update Windows to the latest version. Right click on the start button and select settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side and click on check for updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. So search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on run as administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is a malware scan. So here's what you have to do. Search for the word MRT in the Windows search bar and go to MRT. Okay. This will open the malware removal tool. Click on next, select full scan. Click on next and let it run through. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.